Today, the market had some huge swings, and I'd like to introduce you to Eric from Spydaytrading. If you don't know, he spent 20 years on Wall Street, traded billions of dollars for a big bank. Eric is a Wall Street market wizard, and you and I have the privilege to be taught by him. Somebody who knows exactly how the big boys operate, how the crooks work, and how they manipulate the market. At the beginning of the day, every morning, he gives a pre-trade or pre-opening bell analysis, if you will. So this is 6:21, 9 minutes before the market opened. He's already giving us the message, waiting for the 20-day moving average before going long. And if this wants to head down further, it's going to require the 5-day moving average to build more liquidity. He understands fundamental and technical analysis like nobody else I've ever seen on YouTube or anywhere on social media. The next screenshot is 7 minutes into the market open. So the market opens at 9:30 Eastern time. So 7 minutes, he's already identified the algorithms. There's some liquidity here at the orange algorithm, as you can see. And he reminds you, don't short until you grab that as resistance. It's not too late if to retest the 5-day and the 20-day moving average and make a head and shoulders if this wants to head down. You could see where the moving averages are. Right here is the yellow and the red lines. That's the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So 7 minutes into the trading day, he's already drawn out a bearish setup. If that's going to appear, this is what the structure will look like on head and shoulders structure. 6:45, 15 minutes into the market open. Price has now touched the moving averages, and he's drawn another setup. This is a bullish setup. If the bulls are going to take this, they're going to build structure off the moving averages and create an inverse head and shoulder. And so he's charted the algorithms, as you can see. The next screenshot, 6:55, he's giving us the message. You see the green seller? He's identified the green seller. That's the one you want to focus on if we continue selling today. That's where your money will be. And there's the chart. There's the green algorithm, which is the green seller. And the market went down 20 points. This is the advantage that you have by being taught by a Wall Street market wizard. No bias at all. Never have a bias. Prepare for both scenarios.